I just want to let you know how to know if this little series is for you. Okay, this is how you know. Hey y'all, what's up? Tia Skipper here. If you hear the natural ambience of birds, it's because my window's open. It's hot. Okay. But what's up, y'all? I'm coming to you with a video. I've been thinking about this for a minute, and so I wanted to do something. I get asked these questions a lot from people who know how to sing, or people who want to do music, or who's always wanted to be an artist, new to being an artist, not trying to be an artist, but just likes music, but don't really know like how to get started, right? I get questions about this all the time. So I figured I'd do a mini series, un poquito, a little series just on how to get started. And so I just want to let you know how to know if this little series is for you, okay? This is how you know. 1, if you keep thinking about how you have a musical gift but you're not using it, and it irritates you that you're not, you should be watching this series. 2, if you love to sing, you don't have to want to be a performer, you don't have to want to change the world, you just love to sing, this is for you. If you've written things, or you like poetry, or you just like, you're expressive and you want to hear your work back to yourself, you're not even necessarily trying to sell it, you just want to hear your musical or expressive ideas recorded, this is for you. And then this is also for you if you do want to be an artist, or you see yourself as an artist and you just haven't known where to start, or you just been nervous that where you're starting is not good enough. It is good enough. And I want to show you guys how you can literally use what you have to get started. Also in this series, you're going to learn how to record your songs. You're going to learn how to do a little soft mix on your songs. You're going to learn how to put your songs online so that other people can hear, other people can purchase it. You're going to learn how to make money off of your songs. You're going to learn how to share your art. And if you're interested in that, then this series will be for you. If you guys specifically want to know certain things, please leave me a comment. Please tell me what it is you would want me to cover, and I definitely will. I'm just going to immediately cover the things I get asked the most. But by all means, ask away, child. I'm here to help. And I'm here to show you some things that I had to teach myself. Most of them I had to teach myself, okay? So I'm excited for this series. I hope you guys like it. And again, I hope it helps you. So let's get started. See you soon.